This is the cover case of the newly launched Lenovo Idea Tab Pro. Cover case is from proelite brand and it is available in Amazon. There are two color variants. One is black, another is blue. This is the blue variant. Current pricing of the product given in the description below. Check there. Material is fox leather. The company is telling sometimes this is the PU leather. Company claims premium quality PU leather with microfiber interior adds comfort and an additional layer of protection. Protect and secure your tablet from shocks, scratches and dust. The interior is made up with the microfiber lining which is very soft and comfortable to touch. Powerful magnet keep the front cover sealed and your Lenovo tablet is safe from scratches. Look at the precise cutouts and well build quality of slim protective case of Lenovo Idea Tab Pro 12.7 inch. The backside is with the precise cutouts of camera and pen holder and it is made up of flexible polycarbonate material. Now let's look at the four sides of the flip case cover or the cover case. Now let's insert the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro 12.7 inch inside the cover case. The tab really fits well in this cover case. You can see here. It has auto sleep and wake function. Pad case automatically wakes or puts your tablet to sleep when the lid is opened or closed. This cover case is with the adjustable trifold magnetic stand with 65-degree viewing angle and 30-degree typing angle. Now the tablet is aligned with the 30-degree typing angle with the help of the cover case. You can see here. Now you can see the tablet is in the viewing mode of 65 degree with the help of the case cover. Now let's look at the output of the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro after using the case cover. You can see here precise cutout of the camera and the pen holder. Here the volume up and down button and with the microphone, two microphone you can see here. This side you can see the power button cum fingerprint sensor, two speaker grills and one SD card slot of 1 TB. Here another two speaker grills and the USB Type-C port for charging. This whole side is exposed, not covered by the cover case. You can keep your Lenovo pen at the back side. Here the portions in this way. You can see here. Don't worry, the Lenovo pen is strongly attached with the body of the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro, so it will not fall down easily. If you strongly shake the tablet, it will also not fall down. You can see here. Overall, the product quality and build quality of the case cover is really good and premium. It is portable and convenient to carry, perfect for work, school or going on a holiday. You can also see the precise cutouts of the volume button, charger, camera, microphone and other ports or buttons. Easy to install and remove them. The polycarbonate back cover is not covering the all four sides. The top and the bottom portions are open. Without opening the whole side, they should only open the ports and buttons. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.